Good afternoon, everyone. Today it is the turn of the activity-based teaching. Today we perform the activity of lesson 2. Aim is the study the type and number of the teeth in humans. To study the number of teeth and type in human. What is the aim today? To study the number of teeth and type in human. Material required? There is no material required. Stand in front of the mirror and count your teeth with the help of your index finger. Take care to wash hands before starting this activity. You will be able to feel the different types of the teeth, note down their number. Also examine the teeth of your family member, note down the number of the different types of the teeth in your family member. Now, eat an apple. Try to find out which teeth are used for biting and cutting and which teeth are used for tearing and which teeth are used for chewing and grinding. Record your observation. Observation like this. Observation, serial number, types of teeth, next column, number of teeth, number of teeth. There is the two jaw. First of all, you make this table. Serial number, types of teeth, number of teeth, lower jaw, upper jaw. Okay, serial number, types of the teeth, number of teeth and total number of teeth also. Total number of teeth. And next is what are the functions of that teeth. Function. Observation table, first of all you write the serial number, then you write types of teeth, number of teeth, because we are having the two jaw, one is the lower jaw and second is the upper jaw. We can't move our upper jaw, only lower jaw we can move. Total number of teeth and functions. Number one, incisors. Where they are present? Teeth located in front. Teeth located in front. What is the number of incisor 4 in lower jaw, and how many number of incisor in upper jaw? 4. What is the total number? 8. What is the function of incisor? They help in cutting and biting the things. Cutting and biting food. First, clear. Incisor, where they are present? They are present in front. What is the number of incisor in lower jaw? There are the 4. And what is the number of upper jaw? There are the 4. And what is the total number of incisor? They are the 8. And what is the function? Cutting and biting the food. First type of teeth is clear. What is the incisors? Spelling INCISORS. Okay, where they are located? In front of your mouth cavity. Second is canines. Canines, sharp teeth, either on the side of incisors. On either side of incisors. Second number is the canine. Canine are the sharp teeth, and where they are present? They are present on either side of incisors. Just to the incisors they are present. Canines, what is the number of canines? They are 2 in lower jaw and 2 are in upper jaw. What is the total number of canines? They are 4. 4 in number. And what is the function of canines? They help in tearing the food. Second is understand. Canines, second type of the teeth. Canines, they are the sharp teeth. They are present on either side of incisors. What is the number? In lower jaw, there are the 2, and upper jaw, they also 2. And what is the total number of incisors? They are 4. And what is the function of incisor? Tearing the food. Next is premolars. Premolars on either, where they are present? On either side of incisors. Clear it? Where is the location of premolars? They are present on either side of incisors. What is the number of premolar? In lower jaw, 4, and in upper jaw also 4. And what is the total number of premolars? They are 8 in number. And what is the function of premolars? They help in chewing and grinding food. Third number, which type of the teeth? What is the name of that teeth? That is premolars, where they are present on either side of incisors. What is the number of premolars? They are 8, 4 in lower jaw and 4 in upper jaw. So what is the total number of premolars? They are 8 in number. And what is the function of premolars? They help in chewing and grinding the food. Next is fourth, molars. Where they are present on either side of premolars. Four types molars, they are present on either side of premolars. What is the number of molars? They are 6 in lower jaw and 6 in upper jaw. What is the total number of molars? Total number of molars, they are 12 in number. And what is the function of the molars? They also help in chewing and grinding food. Four types molars, and where they are present on either side of the premolars. What is the number of premolars? They are 6 and 6 in each jaw, 6 in each jaw. And what is the total number of molars? 12. And what is the function of molars? They help in chewing and grinding the food.